In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Google Drive storage without using a credit card. If you found yourself in need of extra storage but prefer not to use a credit card, don't worry. You're in the right place. Google has made it quite convenient to purchase additional storage through their Google One service, so let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly get the space you need. First things first, you need to access Google One. You have a couple of ways to do this. You can go directly to the Google One website through your web browser, or if you prefer a mobile approach, simply open the Google One app on your Android or iOS device. Once you have it open, it's time to sign in using your Google account. This is essential as it's the account where your storage upgrade will be applied. Once you're signed in, look around the interface until you spot the option labeled Upgrade, or in some cases, Get More Storage. Go ahead and tap on that. It's the portal through which you'll be able to browse the various storage plans available to you. Now, it's time to pick a storage plan that suits your needs, whether you require a modest 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or something more substantial like 2 terabytes. The right plan is there for you. The key is to consider your current and future storage needs. After making your choice, tap on the subscribe button to proceed. Here comes an important part. Choosing a payment method that doesn't involve a credit card. You have some excellent alternatives available. Let's focus on one of the most convenient options if you're in the Philippines. You can use GCash or Maya as your payment method, and here's how. If you're using an Android device, you're in luck because Google Play's billing system accepts both GCash and Maya. What you'll need to do is link your GCash or Maya account directly to your Google Play account. This is your key step that allows you to pay seamlessly using your mobile wallet balance. It's straightforward and means you don't have to worry about using a credit card at all. By following these steps and using the payment options available, you can easily manage to upgrade your Google Drive storage to suit your needs. It's a method that's flexible and convenient, especially if you prefer to handle transactions without relying on a credit card. With these tips, you can expand your storage just the way you want, ready to house your cherished files, important documents, or any other digital treasures. That's it for today's guide. Simple, effective, and credit card free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.